First, you need to create a webhook. Click the profile icon on the upper right hand of your screen. Then click Webhooks. Click the Action dropdown. Click Send Lead Details. Then click Create Webhook. Enter in a friendly name for your webhook. You must select one of these options for sending the lead details. In this specific flow that I'm showing you, you will want to select when the lead enters one of the pipeline stages in this list. Then click the Pipeline Stage dropdown. Click the stage or stages that when a lead enters the stage, the lead details will be sent. In my specific flow, I am going to select the Added to Facebook group stage because when a lead card enters the Added to Facebook group stage, I want its details sent to the webhook. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Added to Facebook group stage. In the Enter Webhook Endpoint box, we will need to obtain the webhook URL from the other external software of your choice. My external software of choice is HighLevel. Remember, this is my specific workflow. Yours may look different depending on which external platform you are using and what workflow you are creating. In my example, my trigger will be data coming to the inbound webhook. So go ahead and click Add New Trigger. In the search triggers, type in webhook. When inbound webhook pops up, click inbound webhook. Copy the URL. Once it's been copied, go back into the webhook setup area. Now we get to enter the webhook endpoint URL here. Then click Send Test Data. Success! Test data has been sent. So now go back into the workflow you are building. Then click Fetch Sample Requests. In the mapping reference, click Select Reference Payload. Select the payload that just came through. As you can see here, all the test data has come through. Awesome job. So now that we've created the trigger, we can go ahead and click Save Trigger. Remember, if you're creating this automation in HighLevel, the action of creating a contact will be automatically built for you. If a contact already exists, it will be updated. Now it's time to map the fields with the incoming data from the webhook. I will show you the basics. Go ahead and click Add Field. Select the field, type in first, click First Name, click the Custom Values tag, click Inbound Webhook Trigger, select Lead First Name, click Add Field again, select the field dropdown, type in last, click Last Name, click the Custom Value again, click Inbound Webhook Trigger, now select Lead Last Name, click Add Field, click Select a Field, type in email, select email, click the Custom Value icon, click Inbound Webhook Trigger, scroll down, then click Email, click Add Field again, click Select a Field, type in Phone, select Phone, click the Custom Value again, click Inbound Webhook Trigger, then scroll down and click Telephone. Well done, you have now mapped the basic fields. If you would like to map additional fields, please go ahead and do this now. When you're done mapping the fields, click Save Action. You can continue to build the workflow out as needed, such as adding an action to send these new contacts an email. When you're satisfied with the workflow, it's time to move on to the next step. If you're using a similar external platform as mine, make sure that this workflow is set to Published. Then make sure that you click Save. Go back into the webhook setup area, go ahead and click OK, and then click Save on the webhook details you just set up. Make sure there's a green button saying Active on this webhook. Then I would highly suggest testing out this automation to make sure that everything is set up properly. To do this, we need to trigger the webhook. My specific trigger is a lead entering a certain stage. So I'm going to go to my pipeline that has this stage, and I am going to enter a lead into this stage. For example, when I move this lead card into the Added to Facebook group stage, a contact should be added or updated inside of my HighLevel account. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop this card into the Add to Facebook group stage. Then it may take a few seconds for a contact to be created or updated inside of HighLevel. After I wait a few seconds, I'm going to go ahead and check to see if this lead has been added or updated inside of HighLevel. Success! As you can see, a contact has been created in high level. Now we know that the webhook and workflow is set up properly. Please let us know if you need any additional help in setting up this automation.